Are you an accountant struggling with the hassle and errors of tax preparation? Today, I'm going to show you how SmartVault streamlines your tax preparation processes to help you become more efficient, more scalable, error-free, and compliant. Since 2014, SmartVault has established itself as the first and only integrated document management system and client portal software that's fully integrated with Lacerte, ProSeries, and now ProConnect, offering customers a high-value integrated document management system and portal platform across Intuit's ecosystem of tax prep apps. Our jointly developed integration offers Intuit customers an integrated, modern DMS platform to securely manage their end-to-end documents and tax preparation workflows. With a direct integration between SmartVault and Lacerte, one of the first steps that we'll take for any new customer onboarding with our program is we want to set up the Lacerte integration. We can set up SmartVault to talk with Lacerte 23, 22, 21, etc. After we set up and configure the integration, the next step that we'll take is we're going to come into the connected desktop and we're going to import the clients into our program directly from your tax software. So by clicking on File and Import Data, this will actually initiate Lacerte through the integration, and this import tool will allow you to come in and select all of your clients in bulk and import them right into our program. So SmartVault automatically sets up the client, the folder structure, and the security permissions from the Lacerte program and brings them into our system. Once you complete your importing of your clients, the clients will show up directly in the connected desktop on your left-hand side. It'll pull over the name of your client, the client ID, the client type, and it'll also pull over the email address from the Lacerte program. So in return, when you're ready to invite the client into the portal of SmartVault, it's just a few clicks of the button. Secondly, when you're working inside of Lacerte, you do have the ability to click on Print and Tax Return, and this is where you're going to see SmartVault built directly inside of the Lacerte program. Through the direct integration, again, I can click on the print function and run through saving files directly to SmartVault. I am printing a blank return, so please excuse some of the pop-ups that you're seeing on the screen. But once this print completes, I'll show you the magic that has occurred within SmartVault. Again, it is building the client Jonathan Young automatically. It's also building the folder structure within the SmartVault program with our standardized and easy to navigate folder structures. And lastly, it is routing the corresponding documents directly into SmartVault as well. The simple integration between SmartVault and Lacerte makes this tool very, very efficient and streamlined for our clients. Jumping into the connected desktop, I can now go to the top of my screen and I can search for Jonathan Young. Again, the client has been created holistically along with the folder structure. And then if I dive into specific folders, you are going to see the client and government copy landing in the client tax return folder. If you do print any of your preparer copies, those are going to land in the tax return folder down below. Again, SmartVault is here to streamline your workflow and your efficiency and reduce manual steps in your workflow. By looking at the connected desktop again, SmartVault is not only a document storage platform, but it is an integrated client portal. You have the ability to invite clients into the SmartVault program and give them access to certain folders within the system. By reviewing the connected desktop, you're going to see a default folder structure that is set up and standardized. By reviewing the portal side of SmartVault, under Client Management, you're going to have the ability to search for your client within the SmartVault system. Here's my client, Jonathan Young, and you'll see Jonathan is in a not invited status. To invite Jonathan, our client, into the program, all we have to do is select the client, or you can select groups of clients. You can go to the far right and invite Jonathan into the program. Going back to the connected desktop where most of our clients spend their day-to-day, if I search for Jonathan within the system here, you are going to see a change within the folder structures. I know this may be small on your screens here, but the client organizer, the client source document folder, and the client tax return folders have a little symbol inside of them. There's two little people inside of those folders. It's an indicator to let the staff know that those folders are shared with the client. Clients can upload to client source documents. They also have the ability from their end of the portal to view documents or tax returns that you've printed over from Lacerte. SmartVault is all about security. We are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant in our DMS platform, and we have a robust activity reporting log. We also have version history and document recovery. There is a file check-in and checkout process. There also is granular permissioning set up for the staff, and also you can control what the client accesses within the folder structures. Along with this, we do provide unlimited storage and unlimited clients, but most importantly, everything is encrypted within SmartVault. While documents are sitting within our program, they are encrypted, but secondly to that, while clients are uploading documents or you're dropping in a file for a client, it is encrypted during transit as well. SmartVault also has the ability for you to highlight and click on Get Signature. We do have a partnership with DocuSign to help you streamline your e-signature process. This will also allow your clients to pay for your services along the way. When a customer signs off on a document through DocuSign, the finalized signed copy are routed directly back into the folder they were placed into, and from there you can also receive a notification. Notifications can be set up through the client portal system too when clients are uploading through client source documents. Overall, SmartVault is a very secure and very efficient solution for exchanging files.